All right, what's going on? What's going on? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the pairs for the 16th of June to the 21st of June. All right, but first and foremost, what we're gonna do is go over the forex factory. If you're new to the channel or you've never been there, let me move this out the way. So if you can see forex factory uh, up top, forexfactory.com. And then if you want to actually put your pairs of what you want to pick, the folders, the currency pairs, you pick on the side right here of the actual ones you're trading, the type of events, and the impact news. I just do red folders, and then you apply. All right, so this week we do have a bank holiday, is Juneteenth in the U.S. So on Wednesday, the markets, I don't know if the market's going to move fast or slow. I don't know. I'm going to be honest with you. But I know typically when the bank holidays come up, I don't trade those specific pairs, or I don't even trade. Wednesday, I don't trade anyway. All right. Because, again, I'm not a day trader. I'm a long-term trader. I trade off the daily time frame. The only thing I day trade is the futures market. And I only trade a Nikkei 225 or Nikkei 225. That's the only thing I trade off the daily time frame. All right. So we're going to look at 8:30. There's some news, the Empire State Manufacturing Index. And then you look on Tuesday, AUD, USD have some cash rates and retail sales. Wednesday, GBP. And we're going to look at a couple GBP pairs. There's CPI and GDP for NZD. And then Chef. Of course, this is going to be a pretty nice week for the Chef pairs and the GBP. So if you day trade GBP Chef, that was my pair a while back. I made a lot of money off of that one during the pandemic, of course. That's a good pair to look in to get in 20 pips and get out. And then on Friday, you have the Flash News and the French Flash Services, manufacturing PMI, all that good stuff. All right. So what we're going to do is, this is my pair. This is how I set up during the week. So this is normally how I set up. All right. So what I do is, and if you want this template, I'm giving it to you free. So what I do is throughout the week, every Sunday, I go through here and look at potential pairs. The blues for me are the ones I need to look at because, the weekly, daily, the monthly, weekly, and daily. So if there's like a neutral on the monthly, of course, but if the weekly and the daily is, I put potential. So, and then I move it over. The pairs that actually I want to look at, then I put potential, all-time high. Currently no setup for NJ because that one is pretty much at its all-time high. I'm not messing with that one because that was something I should have got in months ago. And then you got potential right here. All right, so if you want this template, I'll send it to you for free. Just comment down below. Put currency pair. All right. So what we're gonna do is, currently this is the trades that we're already in. All right. And I went over that in the previous video. And if you want to see that previous video, make sure you click on the top right. All right. And GBP, of course. So now, honestly, I'm gonna put this pair right here because we're back at almost the entry point right here at 84439. So currently we're at 84360. All right, you can actually take another sale right here potentially. Exactly, I got it right here at this number right here. Now keep in mind, this is something I would do. You don't have to do it. Whatever I say is just for entertainment purposes. I am not a certified financial advisor. All right. So we're gonna go from here. Let's go back. So again, we in this pair. All right, this one you see, these are all pairs that we jumped into. They're currently in profit. All right, and so what's going to happen is that you can take entries, but just be careful. All right, and this one right here, you can take an entry right here, but just be careful again, like I said, because it's currently already from our sell stop is currently at 22 pips in profit. So you can still take this one. And there's some news on Tuesday that can push the price down. And I don't see anything else to disrupt this pair, of course, from not coming all the way down by the end of July, which is almost on the last part of the month. All right, so if you want to take another sale right here, you can. Just be careful. All right. Again, boom, right here. We already currently in. We jumped in this pair in May. All right, in May. All right. So, and we're looking at about 147 pips. We see some news that could potentially push this down on Tuesday. So this pair would have been almost a month in profit. I mean, in length. So we missed this one. We missed CJ. All right. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm not messing with this right now. I definitely wouldn't get into this one because if you look, this is the monthly time frame. So if you really wanted to get in this, 2020 would have been the right time to actually get all your money out of this one. All right. And so right here, potentially, if you look, it crossed. This would have been a good spot to get in. One, if you was on the weekly time frame. Two, all right, and you're still going up. But if you look, that was the time around in May to get into another, another position. So right there, we're not messing with this one. All right, let's go to the next one. AJ, currently, if you see on my pairs, it says AJ strong buys, but we had all-time high. So currently, no current setup. All right, right now it's all-time high. Well, let's double check before I say all-time high. Yep, we definitely are. Pretty much. Well, I guess not really, but it's up there. You want to see some type of pullback because if you look right here, so I see it potentially once it breaks here, I can see it going back up. You know, it breaks out consolidation. I can see it going back up. So just be careful. Wait for the retest or the strong momentum up. Because it could go up as a break and then it can just shoot back down. So just be careful. Go off your strategy. Right now, there's no setup for my strategy, but at the same time, it is still, strong buy. All right, let's go to the next pair. All right, so currently, let's look at this NZD CAD. I don't even have this one on my list right now. Oh, yeah, I do. So right now it's potential. It's all three are not really strong buy. So what I do is I wait till they all say strong buy. All right. So right now we are, the trend is bullish, but as of right now, we don't have anything. All right. We don't have anything. There's consolidation right here. Boom. All right. And go from right here. So consolidation. So we wanted to retest and come back up because we missed the trades down since May. All right. I'm gonna continue to watch this. So we look like we at a current pullback potentially right here. All right. So what I wanted to do is pull back and then come up. I want my 2 candle highs. All right, two candle lows, and then we're gonna jump moving from there. Let's look at this pair, GBP CAD. So what we want this to do, see, we need to pull back currently, look for current setup. Once this says all three are going the same direction, then we will jump into this trade. All right, again. All right, so potentially I'm looking at that one is a super long-term trade, but we in there, we're looking NZD, Euro NZD. There is some news. I don't see it pushing 227 pips this week, but it could potentially close out by the end of next month. All right, so if we look, Euro NZD, right now strong sell, but on the monthly is neutral, so we're not gonna mess with it right now. All right, Euro USD, and if you go to my forex screener, all right, you look at monthly, weekly, and daily, all strong sales. So there's a lot of news that can push this 150 pips down. The time is you can't enter this trade. I'm going to enter it. Now, if you do what you're going to do based off your trading strategy, based off your trading strategy. All right. Because if you look, what we did was last week, we seen the 2 candle highs, all right, for our sale. All right. As you can see, this news happened last week and pushed this back up 140 pips. But we wasn't in it because we was looking for the sell stop. And guess what happened? Sell stop jumped in at the end of it, came back down, and sell stop, boom, put us in that trade. All right. GBP, the Euro GBP. Looking at selling right here, it actually put us back in. But I'm going to jump into this trade, and then I'm going to look at the news pushing this thing down about 100 pips by the end of the month. All right, so we're going to go off of that. So these are my three pairs that I'm looking for: Euro NZD, Euro USD, and Euro GBP. All right. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. And if you like the content I have, now keep in mind, I only trade as far as forex pairs, I trade on a daily time frame. All right. So if you want to know about swing trading off the daily time frame because you have a job, a 9-to-5 job, let me know. Put comment down below, hit the like button and the subscribe button. And I also have a Telegram scrolling at the bottom there, right there. So you join. I also put all my trades and all my future trades in that Telegram group. It is a free Telegram group. All right. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good trading week. And I will be trading live this week, hopefully on Monday with the forex pair. All right. Other than that, y'all have a blessed, not forex pair. I'm sorry, future pair. All right.